Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so in this experiment, when the vapors oops, when the vapors rise above and come in contact with the cold saucer, obviously that contains the ice, with the cold saucer that okay contact with the cold saucer that contained ice, they condense into liquid, of course. Condense into liquid. Now when the drops become big enough, they start falling down like rainfall. Okay, and now how does it differ from the natural rain? Okay, so the difference is that in natural rain, the coldness is not provided by a saucer like thing, is not provided by a saucer like thing, but due to the expanding air at low pressure. Okay, so as the air expands, it cools off the vapors. As the air cools down, it also cools the vapor. Cools down the vapor. Now, when they are obviously large enough, they start falling down. So this is the difference between between the rainfall that we created and natural rainfall. Okay, so this answers the given